Come back. I just updated to daily 26 and a couple of issues have been fixed. Mostly this one I'm sure works fine now. I'm not sure anymore about before, but I'm sure now it works fine. The Essentia with the wrong aspect is fixed. And this one could be glitched. I'm going to bring this one back to the other dimension and leave it there. If it ever causes some issues, I'd rather have those issues in this dimension. Okay. Back there. Now. I want to do the new circuits, but first I'm going to wait for this one, and then I'll make even more things. I was working on the infinite spray can, I think, before. Alright. Or did I already start it? No, just started. Okay, we'll take a little bit. Those are probably messed up. Okay, can I do? The autoclave keeps getting clogged. If I start crafting all of those, I should not need it for a little bit, so may as well do that. Okay, sell. Alright. That should make room. Okay. Soon it will make this stuff. For circuits, this one now is waiting for the circuit assembly line again. Will work at some point. I think nano assembly for what? What is making nano assembly? This one is oh, that is for meteors. What is making the nano assemblies? It's just making nano assemblies. Because why not, I guess. Look at the memory backlog. Alright, next. Glowstone up. Netherite present. Netherite, not much. I'm going to quickly check the netherite processing. I'm going to need like 200, I think, scraps for the next year. Okay, this one is the bottleneck. Could give it more power. Come on, I need the circuit assembly line to craft more circuit assembly lines. I could make more of those. Do I have this super glue? Alright, I can do that quest. Come on. There. Then. Spray can here. Waiting for circuit. Everything is waiting for the circuit assembly line. But it should get better and better now. I'm going to get a second one soon to double the speed. Alright, now it's changing to nano processors. This one requires everything. And UV, no circuits. Okay, what can I do while I wait for this one? Drilling rigs. There is one on IO, one on Twilight Forest, which have completed their loops. I'm going to remove those two. One on IO, one on in the Twilight Forest. Let's go over there. And I should probably power those with plasma generators next time. Okay, let's start from IO1. EO1, I don't know how to pronounce it. Still not crafting the circuit assembly. Oh, it's doing those. If this one manages to complete, then I can probably make this circuit assembly. Alright. Jupiter. Alright, to the how it called drilling rig. Weekly. Further than I remember. Okay, there it is. Let's get this one. Remove junk loading, remove waypoint. And let's collect this one. Since the next update we will have netherite processing. I'm playing on the development beta tester build. You can download it from GitHub, you can find information how to do that on Discord. GTNH Discord, you can find instruction. Over there. Maybe I'm going to put one again. Nah. I have to get a diamond B. Why do I have two different waypoints? Let's start from this one. Oh, it did crash. Let's see. What did it do? Oh, it did everything anyways. So I can bring this one back. Remove chunk loading. Remove waypoint. Let's see the other one, what it is doing. So over there. What is this waypoint? Seems clean. Is that a waypoint I forgot to remove? Yeah, it was a thing in there I forgot to remove. Alright, I'm going to put all of this stuff into my backpack. And oh, I did remove junk loading. Yeah. Okay. Do I have a circuit assembler now? Nope. I should have LUV circuits. Let's try again. Start. Still no circuits. Should be going good. Mainframes. Those are IV. And it will most likely jump to this one. This one is doing those two. I did multiply it a little bit, so it's doing huge batches. I don't think I can overvolt it. Meanwhile, I can prepare the flocculation stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, UV circuits. Well, I mean, I can make a pattern for those. It's going to be crystal processor, mainframe. Do 4 at a time. 4 at a time. No, I think I craft 16 at a time. Press 24 here. Next. This one, assembler 0. Here. Training plates. Pending 1. Let's remove those. Training rotor. Here. Large Nakoda pipe. Here. Adamantium. Adamantium. Assembler 4. I think I never worked adamantium before in this run, so let's set up everything for it. Extruder. Rod. Here. Adamantium ingot, vacuum freezer, let's multiply. Glass for only circuit 1. We have 1 and vacuum freezer. Here. Okay, now. Alright, those are the objectives of today. Can start preparing the plant anyways. Not the plant, mostly the flocculant fluid. Now, let's see. Going to need polyaluminum chloride. There. This fluid. Aluminum hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid. That stuff will loop theoretically. Because it's going to give back the stuff. I may try to do that as a sub-network. Yeah. But I would like to see this plant first. How big? Hatches, where can the hatches be placed? Okay, more or less all around it. So it's going to be a thing here, and here I can probably have the LCRs. Now, to get this stuff here, those are the outputs. This one is the thing required. Should be easy to make. Maybe not too much this one. Green sapphire, ruby, sapphire gems. Nope. So make sodium hydroxide. Oh, I think this stuff is looping. This one and where is the sodium? This one, it's looping, yeah. Alright, so this stuff should be looping. Then this one will go to the distillation tower to get back those ingredients. So it's 3 LCRs and distillation tower. We probably want the dangot. Good. Let's get more of those. Now, there will be 1, 2, 3, not like that. Yeah. Okay, those are the 3 LCRs. And then we'll have the dangot here later on. Chemical reactor. PTFE. nickel. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one. 3 maintenance hatches. 3. Here. Here. But not here. Then go to distillus. We need that. Stainless steel, I do have quite a lot. This one we have a lot of, but it should be self-looping. I'm going to do a subnetwork probably for this stuff. Maybe I'll move this one block to the right. So here. Oh wait. Here I can have the cables. Output hatch. Let me check. Oh, it's only 2 outputs. And not even that big. But that one does parallel. It's going to be a lot. EV. I will get like 1 million of this stuff I saw. But this hatch has 500,000 output. Cable, not this one, but this one. We'll have a controller. Many dual interfaces. Okay, that is to collect all of the outputs. Then this one will need a muffler. One input hatch here. Fluid export. Hopefully this is all I will ever need. 100. This controller probably can stay there. Come on, fluid export. Maybe I crafted too many at once. Are those done? Nope. Where are the export buses? Here. Yeah, too many at once. Let's do just that. Right, crafting. Alright, what is it waiting for? LCR. This one waiting for circuit assembler. Circuit assembler. What is the circuit assembler doing now? It's doing does. I'd rather have this stuff go inside this one. If I can get a second one, it will fix most of the issues. 57 store now. Probably I'm doing 2 big batches now. Maybe. But alright. Okay, coils on top are not good. Let's get those on the back. Then. Will this one ever be crafted? What the heck is it doing? No, something must be wrong. There must be something wrong. Where is it? Okay, it is working at least. It's doing mainframes, okay. All of those fluid output. Output hatch ME. It is wall share. How can it not have enough fluid output? Is my HU Oh no, I think the issue. Probably I'm out of fluid types. Yep. I hope it didn't fill up everything else. It's not even really of space, it's just of types. There. This one got filled up by drops. Okay, doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, this stuff. No, there is 3 drops in there, messing up everything. Not too sure on how those work. This one, chlorine, chlorine. I hope it doesn't go back as fluid. Like, I hope it goes back as fluid and not as drop. And I need a hyper acceleration cards now. Okay, those are all 64k. I want to remove those. Okay, maybe first empty those. One. There is also a new acceleration card done just for ME port to quickly empty everything. This one, and this one, and those I will clean up those. This one is the one which contains chlorine. Yeah, all of those 3 contain chlorine. I will have to figure out a way of making sure it is actually going back to fluid. Let's see. 5.4, 5.3, okay. Yeah, I think that is from the drops inside this one. I do hope it's going as fluid and not as solid. Okay, this one is filled up with coal. Cool, I can do diamonds with that stuff. I will manage the mass star in a different way. Okay, it doesn't seem like it. When can I get the quantum cards? 16k after the 16k UHV circuits require cosmic neutronium. Okay. Maybe I should avoid the stone dust, but I don't want to regret doing so. Next. Okay, finally it's crafting. No more. Come on, craft more of it. Yeah, it's doing the same circuit. All of the CPU that need that circuit is being done. This one is the mixer. Okay. Rip. Yeah, when I get it to DPM, it won't have loss anymore. Doing all sorts. Yeah, this one has been off for 1 hour. Lot of backlog now. Alright. Still didn't manage those. Finish. Think it can crash. Don't know when. Alright, everything done. Okay, back to the flocculation. The flocculant. Here. Chemical inert blocks. Let's have one of those things. Then, oh, this one is crafting too good. This one, I'm out of stainless steel block. Oh, I had those in my inventory, but I will need lots of those in the future. Here. Oh, it doesn't have an energy hatch. There. An UV energy hatch. Can you make 10? It will have to make circuits. Okay, more steps for the circuit assembler. Good. Don't I have like leftover? No. No leftover UV circuits. Then let's see here. So theoretically this one will output aluminum, which can go into the first step here. One, two, 24. Wait. Those are inputs. Then reservoir. Okay, and output one solid, one liquid. The solid will be looping into this one, which needs, wait, this fluid can be wall shear. This one outputs some, is it hydrogen? Yeah, some hydrogen, which I may send back to E2. Then 24. Yeah. Sodium hydroxide. This one. Okay, this stuff goes into the next bus, which to obtain good speeds. I would like to use quantum pipes. This pipe may be a bottleneck, but let's see what it does. Here. Right. That one takes that input plus this one. Circuit 1 makes two things: sodium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide. Let's manage those. What is it? Sodium hydroxide is managed by A2 because it goes back with the other thing. It also comes out from this one. Then this one. Okay, this one goes to the last step, which is the one which makes the flocculant. I don't know why I like saying flocculant. I don't know why. I like the name flocculant. I don't know why. The flocculation unit. Flocculation. I wonder if I'm even pronouncing it correctly. This one makes two fluids, water and the flocculant. So I'm going to try to split those two. Water most likely goes to the trash can. I don't like trash cans from the mod. I'd rather just throw the water in a tank with overflow voiding. This one will take water. And here is the flocculant, which I have to deal with it in that way because otherwise I kind of messed up. Don't know how else to get it out. This one will go to the plant. Or maybe a better way. I don't think I have other fluids inside this A2. I just use formatted cells. So output hatch. But I'd rather... I don't trust the overflow limitation of those. I'd rather have it like that. Now, this one should be good. It probably needs some stuff from the main network. Main network is this one. Flocculation unit will probably be on top here. Wanna have this one run like that. Okay. Here I will need a quartz fiber, one interface, maybe two. And two storage. So there are going to be 3 swoops. There. Now, one will be extract only, one will be insert only. Those two will be both high priority. Now wait, this one is high priority. I think it will send back hydrogen here. It will most likely want all of the first ingredients. So hydrochloric acid and those two. Oh, those are solids. Oh. This one. Interface. Here. Here. Only high priority. All right. Should be working, I think. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have energy. I haven't connected that energy. And I will have to get the P2P somewhere. Let's get a cell. No, wait, I ended up deciding not to use this one. Maintenance. We have actually energy hatch? Still no. Still not crafted this one, and I don't even have an energy hatch for it. Why is it prioritizing random circuits? Mixer broke again. Maybe I don't have enough amps LUV on that cable here. I think I may be getting too many machines on LUV. This one keeps crashing. Yeah, for sure I have too many LUV machines now. Soon I will turn some into TPM. This one crashed. Will this one ever do progress? Somehow even this one is doing progress. I don't have LUV. I have 8 circuits. Where is it? I need this one to make more circuits. I don't even have crafting solar panels. Alright, it's finally doing circuit assembly line. Now, do I have the energy hatch? Nope. I'd rather go take one from the LCR, so just drop there. There. And even more LUV amps consumed from this line, which is already having issues. Too much power drain on this line. And on here. Here. There. 4 amps LUV. 4 amps LUV, apparently not enough. Now, I don't know, either it's cable loss or 16 amps are not enough. I don't know which one, if it is not enough amps or cable loss that is causing issues. This one is using barely autoclave, that's the issue. Basildon crystals, of course. It wants 1000. Oh, okay, the restock is basically done. So you should now stop making those. And the autoclave should become usable really soon. Quantum processor, nothing really. Alright, finally a second circuit assembly line. That should speed up things nicely. Is that it? Nope. Okay, sounds... What? Am I out of solid? Yep. Yep. And hatches will share, that should work. Come on. I made a batch too big, but should catch up. Yeah, I shouldn't do that kind of huge batches now. Okay, it's crafting some stuff. Is it done? Done. Maintenance, and finally I double my circuit production. Good. Now it's doing twice as many. All right. Yeah, there is quite a lot of backlog circuits, but should soon catch up. 1, 2, 1. New craft. No. Oh no, that's going to be slow. That one will take time. It's making 64, I think, mainframes at once. No, 16. Okay, not too bad. One. We're doing one at a time. Yep. Well, I don't even need those circuits. I need those which are... Okay, maybe... And the hatch. We should have some circuits to work with. Alright, working. Okay. Now, first one here. So, chemical inert block here. Then here. There. Wait, is that one? Oh, nice. I already have an LUV cable. Usable. They shouldn't use. I have 4 amps. I don't think they will use more. Even if it is 5 machines, I think it should still be doable. At least I hope so. There. I should keep a restock of superconductors. There and there. Okay, can it start? Okay, getting the sodium aluminate. Getting the next thing. This one. Is the issue the pipe? No. What's the bottleneck? Fluid output. Yeah, of course it is. How is it working if the issue is the fluid output? Oh, this one is the hydrogen. It makes 48k at once. I'm going to give it a little bit more of storage. This one? Yeah, I should fix it. This one makes... Forgot the hydrochloric acid. Activate it from here. This one will need a nice acceleration and a nice input hatch. There. No. Alright, getting the flocculation. Much more. 1000 per second. I wonder if it is enough. So here it is, the flocculation. Next. Basically, I think I'm just waiting for the flocculation unit now. Oh, that's a source of clay. I mean, for how much you get. It doesn't even... I think you always get much, even if you do more parallel. Here the flocculation plant will be. But first I need UV circuits. Now, if my circuit production started working, what is it doing now? It's not even working. Okay, for a moment it was not working. Quantum computer for this one. Okay, it's trying to stock up the GTNH circuits. ZPM, we need a lot of those for the assembly. No, okay, no, not really. I don't need mine. So next objective is the title, which is 4 of those. Tin dust. Do I really not have tin? Apparently I do not have tin. Alright. What's a good tin meteorite? Tin meteorite. This one gives... This one doesn't give anything. This one... Neither. Okay, none of the meteorites I keep tossing gives you tin. That's why I don't have any. Tin meteorite is one with the annoying filler. This one gives a lot of copper, but I see no tin in this one. Alright, this one maybe. Okay, this one is the bauxite one. It must be this one. It gives black granite at least. Cassiterite, 1000. No, there is a better one. Can be this one. This one maybe? Okay, this one is already more. This one has no oil sands. Calcite. Yeah, but only this one. Oh, maybe it's this one. 800, 800, 4, 1, 6, 2000 in total. Don't know, 2000 in total. This one is 300. 1, 5. There aren't good meteorites for tin. Where is the cassiterite? Maybe I just go with the tin com. I really do have tin bees. Can I get 8 of those? Apatite and pollen. Which pollen? Is that the one from the tree? No, this one is bee pollen. Okay, is one of the bees I'm keeping here doing pollen or not? There are some bees. This one makes royal jelly, not pollen. Okay, I'm going to need the other one for stuff to... Two of those. Let's see, tin bees. I think tin princess. Where is tin drone? Think tin drone. This one. This one is pristine. I'm going to get another one. Ah. And then we'll also want to get industrious. Industrious should be one of the first I did. Only 2. Okay, this one. Alright, industrious drone. This one. I'm going to connect this one for a moment. Alright, let's get a couple of tin bees. Here until it gets pure breed enough. Okay, maybe now. Okay, now it should be pure breed. Is this one pure breed? Yeah. Okay, with the tin I'm good. Now let's get an industrious bee. Wait, did I do 3? Alright, I already have 3 of those. I'm going to use 3 of those. Apiary. Oh, it's waiting for the circuit assembler, I think. Apatite. Nope, I don't have the cyclotron. This one. Okay, I'm going to get a bunch of this stuff. Anyways, if I get a slow matter manipulator, I can't stand this low speed. I'd rather be slow myself rather than idling watching something too slow. Where is the implosion compressor? Here. There. No? Forgot the TNT. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, but I'm not even doing copy-paste things right now. And placing cables is not a huge deal. Why? Can you not do Apatite that way? Really? What a gem. Okay, I need Apatite now. This one, let's get more Apatite. Apatite, this one. This one comes from fat generator. One of those two I don't need. This one doesn't give. Oh, this one gives a little bit of cassiterite. Let's do. Fat generator. Crafting, then magnet off. Bound pickaxe. Pick up to me. Right, let's clean up. Here, here, here. Here. One. Dig up everything. One. Alright, now. And I should have cassiterite and apatite. Yeah. Okay, and then I will start it again. Come on. Okay. Need a little bit of stuff just to get started. Don't throw in anything weird. Okay. Yeah, but even then, I'm not really building that much right now. I have other issues. I like meteorites. Managing those. Now, apatite. Where is my apatite? I am sifting it, right? Where am I? Not macerated, at least. Did I never set up apatite processing? There. Whatever. It's okay, I got used to you. I hope at least you have fun doing that. Come on, get me the Apatite. Or easy. No! Why is it? That is why I got no gems. And I can't even... Why can I not blow those into things? How... How is it looping back? What? Could it be that... Could it be that this one? Crushed apatite? Crushed purified apatite? Crushed purified apatite, whatever it's pronounced. Somehow it's getting inside this thing. Crushed apatite. Could it be your dictionary somehow? No, it shouldn't end up in there. But I have seen it doing... Oh, no, that's nickel. Let's try again. Let's see what it does. What was that? Nickel. Where is it going? Okay, let's try. Wait. No, it was not that one. Or maybe yes. Nope. No. I have to figure out where it is going. If this one goes up, it's messing it up. So, 39490. I'm not even digging it. 490. One. 490. Wanna know where is it going? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Found it. I'm so blind. Why did I'm sure it... Maybe I didn't check this one. Whatever, I found it finally. So, this one must go through this one and then finally to the shifter here. Right? This one goes here. I should get some gems now to get in an apiary. Okay, it's doing purified apatite. How much stuff is in there? Okay, not too much. Please hurry up and do this. Come on, come on, wake up. Alright, finally managed to get this stuff now. Apiary, few more. Go. Also those, bunch of those. Let me do this one. So here's the weird one. I wanna get Let's see. Fury. How many more am I carving? Let's get yet another one. Merge. I want to sort those. How do I... Can I restart it easily? Okay, that's how you restart it after you block it. So those two sunnarium. Those two will be tin. I forgot the drones. Okay, sunnarium will be here. No, I started with the super slow rip. Let's do 8x. No, 16x. There's one. Sunnarium. No. $16x. I will need import buses or something. Here. Let's get another acceleration card too. Much more of those. Okay, we need the industrious queen and one more tin draw, 3 tin queen, and also the other thing I forgot. Okay, first let's get industrious queen. And this one for pollen. Maybe we could have used the pollen upgrade, whatever. But this is faster. 14, no more, many tin drones. Tin drones here. Let's get tin queen. Come on. Okay, maybe. Okay, I think it's good. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back here. All of those are useless. I forgot the industrials. Imperial Industries. This one is tin drone. Oh, this one is a tin drone. Oh. Those things are waiting for the circuit assembler. Now, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it not connected? Or am I starting to have issues powering all of those? Also, I'm gonna stop it. Yes, I'm doing a factory like. I'm going to do a single video, yeah. You can read the description. We'll drop everything with conduits, speed cards, interface here. Oh, I really do have a thing. Export here, export here, export here, here, here. Probably enough. Come on. Oh, I do have 16. This one is supposed to be tin. I missed something. Oh, automation. Come on. Stop crafting those. Need more upgrades. If I don't have that upgrade, this one is going to throw the queen into the trash. Whatever. Imperial, and this one will be slow, I guess. Am I getting tin comps already? Yeah. All of those go to the trash can. Zinc. Oh, also I get the zinc comps. Okay. This stuff should already be. Yeah, there it is. Forgot the automation. Zinc comp. Those can be worked. Yes, I craft the 64, set it to 16, so that later on, when I have more energy, I can just click one button to get those to run faster. I set those slowly just so when I will have more power, I will have to click only a single button instead of crafting the 64x upgrade. Like, crafting the upgrade is not what costs. What cost is the energy, and it's not even a huge cost. I mostly just slow it down because you keep bothering me. So, yeah, or maybe I'm exaggerating saying that. Okay, now I got those. Good. There should be some extra tin. Now I really want to get those upgrades, but talking on this one. Can you tell me how the matter manipulator will help me with getting the queens? The main issue now is getting queens and also crafting stuff. Building more of those will only be more annoying, and it will not even fix the issue, since the issue is something else. I don't have enough amps. This cable does not have enough amps. Going to need more of those. Like even more, probably. This cable, way too thin. Too. But I will have to shut off every machine to upgrade the cable. That's annoying. I don't know how to deal with that. There is too many machines running on that cable now. Is there any way to easily split that cable in two? Oh, the 4 amps assembler is using the same cable, isn't it? This one. This one is running 4 amps too. Wait, what? It's not this one, or where is it? This one. This one here, yeah, it's draining 4 amps and UV this one. It's not about placing cables. Can the matter manipulator change a cable without having machines using that cable crash? Because if so, then it's a nice idea. This one. Alright, crafting those. Okay. Over there. Let's see. Okay, finally I'm getting more dynamos, so I can fix that issue. I have to figure out how to redistribute power in this place. Now, also where to put those? Like if I remove some of the EV, maybe I think I don't need all of that IV powers. EV power, IV power, EV power. But then where do I do the PM? If I use those for more UV amps, how do I do that PM later on? I'm going to do just 2 extra amps. Go, 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 go. This one here, here. Superconductor. Now give me a okay, now okay, look at those. Now those extra amps. How do I get those without causing any issue? I think I can do the usual trick. Alright, this one could burn things. Give me a moment. Okay, let's see this one. I have to figure out the load here. Because let's see. I can do something like that. Okay. I will not trust it. This is a problem. So I'm going to do that. Okay. No, I misclicked. Here, here. Wait a moment. Okay. Now let's clean this one up. Here, here. Weirdly, this cable did not burn. And I wanna get this one too. Wait, this one is just this one is depressing. Depending machine. So here. Okay, now I would like to get, oh, if I can get the mixer, it's perfect. I can also get the mixer under this new cable. It should be pretty good. So here. Okay, this cable only has 8 amps. Must not draw too many. That should remove a little bit of load from that cable. I should allow everything to run flawlessly now. This one. Okay. Hopefully now it can run everything. Those are doing quantum mainframes. Still not doing my upgrades. Where are quantum mainframes? Why are those taking priority? Okay, it was ZPM restock, which is already done. So now we should do this one super quickly. How many left? 5 more and it will do my thing. Meanwhile, did I get enough tin from these? I think it's being used as its craft. Unless I have leftover tin comps. How did I get platinum comps? Oh, from nickel, okay. Cool. Over here. Yeah, this one is the one which lost the queen. This one is... Okay, those are all aluminum. This one was imperial and it lost the queen too. There and pollen. This one I should passively centrifuge it. Well, this one gives resin. Nice to know I can get resin like that. It can be useful. Tin drones can go to the trash can. And also those. Alright. There are my upgrades. Let's see. This one was supposed to be Imperial. This one is this one. This one was tin. It should be also. There, and those comps I'm going to automatically process those. Wait. Okay, they give honey. There. Okay. Now I think I can start making these circuit assemblers for the new processors. Need tin. More tin required. There are some planets with a lot of tin. I think there are small ores like on Deimos. I'm not placing the rigs there, so I'm losing. There are a lot of small ores on planets which I'm not getting easily from meteorites. Main issue is that I don't remember which planet has those. I think it's Deimos, but maybe Phobos. Now, this one. Making glue, this one here, okay. I'm going to manually dig a couple of meteorites. Then, file generator. It was this one, right? The one with a lot of cassiterite. No. That one has apatite. Cheese. I don't have cheese. How do I get the ingot? This one is the one used for the meteorite. Oh, milk and salt. Okay, sounds easier. I will have. Can I use soy meat? Yeah. I should plant some soy. I had to go take it from the other plant. Please. Alright, I'm going to get some cheese. Here. Why can you not get cheese from the cheese ore? This one can't be planted easily. I think it must be planted on vanilla. There, you can't go on crop sticks. So I don't have a farm ready for this stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, thing is that when a machine is running, okay, it heavily depends on the machine. I would say, like, it really depends on the machine. If it is a machine with a 2 energy hatches doing an overvolt, which requires 4 amp and it can take only 4 amps, it will most likely crash. If it is one of those machines, like the circuit assembler, which can take 2 amps and it uses like 1/4 of amp, then maybe with the circuit assembler you can. But it sounds like something so dangerous, I don't want to risk it. If I have to turn it off at that point, the matter manipulator is not really a quality of life improvement for that thing. But I think the matter manipulator is great during UHV when you start to build a lot of machines. Right now, I kind of like placing cables. I don't mind placing cables. Anyways, I'm going to use this soy for soybean, for milk, soy. How do you make soy milk efficiently? Extractor? Okay, extractor is my best bet. Back there. I'm going to give 2 soybeans just in case, and extractor, this one. Alright, that should make, well, 22 soy meteor, sorry, 22 meteorites should be plenty. And I don't have a pot. Iron ring. Can the matter manipulator help? If I was going to use drilling rigs, I would have got the matter manipulator to move drilling rigs around. That is something new. The matter manipulator could have been useful for that. For moving drilling rigs around. Okay, I got cheese. Let's clean up this meteor. Cheese is the good in meteor, and then hopefully I will be able to keep up just with bees. Can the multi-block industrial apiary do different bees at once, or can it only do one species of bee? I would assume it's like the greenhouse, which can do different crops at once, but maybe wrong. That was one big meteorite. Here, 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 here. Here. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, but that is UV. The only when I get UV, I will probably move all of the bees into that one. I don't like to spam too many small machines. I know it has a mod, the swarming mod to make princesses. Does it basically copy paste the bee it has inside, or how does it work? Because if it can make, if it basically copy, if I don't have to do the annoying breeding to get all of the queens, that would be so good. Because right now my main issue is breeding all of the bees, other than setting up all of the multi-blocks. Okay, that sounds super good. I don't dislike bees too much, it's just that there are many things in GTNH which I feel like they are not as good as the Greg tech of GTNH. That one is probably going to be good. But yeah, bees are done pretty nicely. And oh, moons. I think I used moonstone for Essentia. I was thinking I used all of the stone of this meteor for something. I think it was Essentia. Yeah, it's overpowered, but I do recall reading it can't take the most overpowered bees, so feels like a bumper. Like it's so good, yet it can't do the best bees. So I'm still going to have to use the small things for the good bees. I don't remember which one. Oh, Indian bee can go inside it, for example. That is so annoying. There, this one, and this one will leave back a lot of rocks. Whatever. Well, at least if I can go inside, I can better use the arrow effect. Wait, on the wiki. I didn't read that on the wiki. Okay, here it doesn't say anything. On the wiki, it says that there are some bees it cannot do. And basically the best ones. Maybe is the wiki out of date, maybe? I don't know. If you wanna go read it. I will once I build it. I will try to put inside one of the gold bases and figure it out. Circuit. What do you mean with are you plan? Okay, that is not even a question, so it's a random affirmation, you guess. I have no idea if, with my products what I want. Oh, here is the thing. Maybe I'm confused. Maybe I'm confused. We'll see. Once I get there, I will see. I don't fully remember. It's something I have seen super quickly. I don't remember. 3 is 1 7. Yeah, I have to get the DOB comb also. Oh, okay. Oh, it's called like that. Oh, okay. That's what I was wondering. What was the meaning of DOB? It stands for dozen of byproducts. Yeah, I will get this one later on. I thought if he was asking me what I was going to do with byproducts, and I was like, I don't know, the same thing I do with those. Like, why is no one asking me what to do with all of the ores I don't need? Like, but okay, yeah, I will probably get this one later on. I think it probably is E2. I wanna do bees when I'm waiting for other things, but when I have a long wait, not a quick wait. And then this one. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 1. What? It uses 1 amp LUV to do 64x acceleration? That's overpowered. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Okay, this one should be alright. Wanna get this one straight back. Okay, here I'm going to do circuit assemblers. Let's start including more. Here it should be 1, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1 here. Here, okay. Complete. I did decide a color last time. I think it was this one. Okay, this one is most likely the color for here. Oh, okay, circuit is fine. But I don't know if I can fit all of these circuit assemblers in there. Maybe it's just circuit assembling and... Okay, this season I'm going to try to use the generic assembly lines for circuits too. Last season many people told me to use the normal assembly lines for circuits. I'm going to try out that this season. This one. Right. Okay. Come on. And here. Okay. Over there. Yeah. This one. This one. Not enough time. '07 is okay. Now circuit assembler. Not sure on how we'll manage it. Probably. Can I do like one row for each thing? I will need more rows for relators one. First, I will have some crystal processors. Thing is that there are some things that really don't need space. Okay, maybe I should do rows in that direction. But all of that row just for quantum sounds like really not needed. Not quantum, crystal. And most importantly, where do I put the... I can craft more. Where do I put the LSC in there this time? Okay, I think I can have the LSC in there. Oh no, wait, I was thinking about getting wireless by the time, but I won't. Unless I consider the expansion like that. I don't know if I should do rows of same circuit like that or like that. I would like to get an LSC there. Both cases, I can stop here with the lines. Once I get... Yeah, I think for now that much is enough for circuit assembly lines until I get the laser, the wireless hatches. At that point I will go for the row. But if I use the one chunk row is too much. Also, I should prepare it for wall shared circuit assemblers. Yeah, I will make it from here wall shared. I have to... Where is it? Here. Okay, this one. Let's just do 4 blocks and then share all of that row, same circuit. That one, same circuit. Like I'm going, for now we'll do just this one. Then I will wall share 4 of those with the same wall share energy hatch, wireless. Like I'm thinking about this one. Right now I need a single assembly line. Later on I will just expand in that direction with more and more. I did not shift click, or maybe yes. I misclicked. Okay, let's go. This one is did this one crash? Either it has been crafting for a long time, or it most likely it crashed. Yep. Yeah, I have too many machines using 4 amps LUV in this place. This one voided. I will restart everything because many things probably got voided. And then I will figure out if something is locked. Yeah, this dust was probably voided. Let's see. This one crashed. No. Okay, this one is on the new line. It's fine. Yeah, I want to see his opinion on that too. Why is it putting those? Okay, those make sense. Why this one then? Whatever. Oh no, wait, it was right to use that one. 3, 4. Oh, okay. Now I remember that thing. I'm going to have on this side the logistics, let's say. So we have here management of resources, and then here the wall share multiblocks. Now, stocking input bus. Should probably get more of those. Here, and this one is an output bus. Then hatch UV to get the good one. I have to use, for now, I have to use this one. I can wall share it. Maintenance. For now. Right, here I'm going to have a second one and one above. Cable. There. Here an anchor. Here and then the other one. Here, now. Drive. Here. There. And we need double dual interface here. Earth fiber. Now, this one. How do I line this one? Main AHU network 2. Probably I'm going to have the main AHU now. As usual, I will have it high up. Yeah, on this cable. This one is going to be my main AHU network. Here we get a storage thing to make it use only one channel in the feed. Sure. Alright, I don't like it. Here. Yeah, here the monitor manipulator will help move everything quickly. But it's alright. Like, I do remember season 1 when we had to manually set all of the inputs. That was so horrible. Manually setting each one by hand when you had 100 of those. So horrible. Nowadays we have so good quality of life to avoid that. Alright, this one can work like that. Input hatch. Export. I will rework those once I unlock better tools in UP. So we're going to have to do more like many more like that. But at some point I'll get the good stuff. Now this one. I don't need blocking mode here. It's going to do a single recipe. So this one is going to be crystal processor. I have to get the imprint and all of those. Okay, I'll get those later on. Or better yet, I should start I need one of those first. I have to start preparing the imprints before I set up those circuit assembly lines. Also, Vapotronic supercapacitor here. 9 F9. Here, those. Need empty. Okay, here. Glass. Uh-huh. How fast? Okay. There are my normal boots. I can place the usual animals if I have. Yeah, I have 3. By now the LSC blocks are cheap, so I can stop using those dynamos. I had those, so I use those. Those can go like that. Empty capacitors and glass. There. Maintenance. Here. There. Then 16 amp. Okay, nice. I have the old ones. Superconductor LUV. And I can use the. I could use the good old HSSG. Why not? Here. Oh, missed. There. Here. Why does the hammer break those blocks? Here. And I'm going to get this one inside. This cable. Soon I will get the ZPM superconductor. But first I have to upgrade the block assembler. Okay. This one here. Don't even know if I have dynamos. Okay. Okay, I do have dynamos. Do have circuit assembler. Okay, I should start making the first crystal processors in the ugly way. Yeah. Oh, this one is not working? Why? Oh, I think it was preparing. And the europium? Am I out of neodymium that it's not? Okay, apparently I did manage to stock a couple of that europium. Now I'm going to add more zeros. And I'm also turning on this one. I don't like my fusion reactors, I think. Better overwhelm those. Now that I have a little bit of stock, I can afford to keep doing batches. Nice. Okay, those can now work all of that. Every time I see those idling, I will increase the batch sizes. Inside the clean room, here I can do this one. I'm going to use the interface to more easily do things. Output, screwdriver. I need crystal processor. Crystal processor. Where is it? Don't see it. Processor. Yeah, of course, I didn't make a pattern. I have to use this one. No, it is This one. Oh. Okay. First one costs 6 times as much due to the bad way of making it. This one is not working. Why does it not work when I look at it? As soon as I open it, it starts. I'm doing a lot of restocks, but probably now. I should upgrade. Alright, those are better done in bigger batches. Don't even know if I need those. I'm going to keep more of those stocked up. Alright, I see. I would say it's good. Maybe I should keep little bit more of those. Little bit more of those. Slowly keep making those. GPM motor. Let's start stocking up some of those too. Okay. Then over here. No, the other one. Let's see. This cable goes all of the way over there. Right. Then I will need new P2P. On this side, the cable should have enough connections, hopefully. Oh, that's the last one that can go on that cable. Then I will have to figure out a better way of taking those out. Hemi-fluid is not really at that one. Yeah, I don't have the fluid pulling thing. Which cable? This one here probably fits. Can't wait to rebuild this controller with wireless. As soon as I get wireless, this controller will be fixed. Here, 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 there. No, wait. It can connect to the top one. Okay, copy, and now this one, do that new cable. No, wireless, I already have the wireless connectors. The issue is that connecting everything with wireless will use too much energy. Maybe I could try, but it will easily get to 1 UV amp. I don't want to risk my A2 shutting off due to too much energy usage. Just for safety, I want to wait for the neutronium energy cell before doing such a thing. Here. Okay. This one can go up there. Okay. A2 connected. Then here I will be able to share energy hatch if I didn't build it like that. Okay, in the future I will make those slightly differently. For now I'm going to have those just like that. Buffer one will most likely do. Those things use close to no energy. superconductor, EV, IV, LUV. Now wait. I'm going to make those as a line. With EV, IV, EV, IV, LUV. Quantum bridge will be way worse to deal with. I'd rather use P2P than quantum bridge. Quantum bridge don't even make cables more easy. No, wait, they do, sorry. Main issue with quantum bridge is that you have to manage all of the quantum singularity to link those, and also they use 2000 U per tick each one. So wireless probably uses less energy. Here. But maybe I could try to start spamming wireless. I don't think it should grow too much. Shouldn't become too much of a power drain, but I'm afraid of it. Let's connect this one. Here. Okay. This one should be done. So this one missing channel. Why? Oh, makes sense. This one. Yeah, for now I'm going to have to do things in a way. Later on I will do things differently. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, after neutronium cell, it's not less relevant, it's irrelevant. Like, you have infinite energy, you don't care about. Unless, now I'm wondering, since it's, is it exponential or quadratic? I don't remember. Can you make it overflow by, like, if you go 1 million blocks, can the energy become too much and make an overflow or something? I don't know, I'm wondering. But I'm pretty sure GTNH devs have fixed all of those things. Alright, now I have this one. Okay, this one I should probably complete it. Am I out of grade? Nope, but I will need more. Oh, come on. I even moved it just for that reason, and I ended up remaking the same mistake. I did move by 1 block that thing I was building just for that exact reason, and still ended up messing it up. Not sure what you mean with energy curve for wireless. Not the wireless terminal, wireless connectors. I don't know how wireless connector work. The power consumption wise. Wait. Oh, okay. That goes. Maintenance. Did I not insert a... There. All right. Now, first time to set up to unlock this one. Okay, have to get this one, this one. Press here. Okay, let's get just this one first. This one is 75%, so usually I do it like that. It should more or less get the correct amount. This one. This one here in a press. This one. This one, mixer, no circuit. This one, mixer, no circuit. Why do I have two different things? Oh, it's mixer 8. I forgot to rename this one. Okay. Industrial mixing. Right, no, this one is that one. Let's insert more pattern opacity cards. Yeah. Okay, now I need imprint. Let's make a bunch of those. Is this one finally done doing crystal? Yes, good. So it shouldn't take too much time for it to do that. A lot of thinning, a lot of soldering alloy. Come on. Crafting. It's making 22. And now 19. How many did I need? Okay, enough. This one. Press light here. And slicer plate. Extruder shape block. Do I have one in there? I had a nope. Solidifier with steel. Don't have cells. 4. Molten steel. Normal steel, I already have it. And solidifier here. This one should be free. What happened? Oh, it can go in. Oh, here. Ah. Okay, now I can do. This one should be a quest. I need a slicing. Slicing machine, I'm going to have it here in the initial stuff. So let's get a cutting machine and then turn it into a slicing machine. Cutting machine. No. Those. Go. Where is cutting machine? Cutting machine, I keep losing it. Here. Where did I put all of the main? Here. IV should work for that task. I can leave it in there. Here. Bus. Output. Controller. Oh, is that LUV? Yeah. Then let's do it LUV. I don't think this one will ever need an upgrade, but still annoying to have the cable just underneath. There. The input was here. Cut and shape, this one. I think I need a muffler too. Does it form? Slicing. Oh. Oh, I got two inputs. Output was here, here. Okay, slice that circuit. Okay, is that? Okay, let's get the imprint. There. First imprint done. No. This one goes in there. Wait, I'm going to use this one as a thumbnail. Let's change. I have that's the stream I use with the same thumbnail. Save. Alright. This one goes in here. Good, we got the imprint now. The way we want to do it is this one in circuit assembler. Where is it? Okay, that was not the best way of looking for the next thing. Can't even find it. Oh, here it was. Okay, now basically switch those two. This one will go to this one here. And now let's see what I need for it. Okay, full have been works. So let's get all of those and then I'll make the other circuit assemblers. 4x niobium wire 4 here. Wraps. I think I don't have an assembler 16 yet. Or maybe yes, I don't know. This one. We have a 16. Nope. I should still have a couple of pre-interfaces. This one here. Okay. This one will become 16. There. So weirdly different colors. Now I should be able to make how is it called? Crystal assembly. This one. Oh, good. We are already working pattern capacity. More. Right. Meanwhile, I can go prepare more assembly lines. Do I even have circuit? Now I need 3 more. Totally forgot. For the quest, I need 4 at once in my inventory. I could do that quest another time or through. Then we need stocking. Maybe I should keep a stock of those two. Here. Yeah. And keep more of those. Maybe you can more those two. Keep more storage. I'm going to start spamming storage soon. So more of those and maybe more of those too. 100. I should be able to keep that one. Alright. No. Nothing here. Lots of great machine code. Okay. 3 drives. Good. And 3 controllers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will leave 1 block of space at least. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. That should have 1 block of space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Then drives. Those. 1, 2, and a room. Okay, it should work out. This one. Theoretically, that's. I am not going to say it again. Output. This one. This one. This one. Okay, well. I forgot to connect the output on the first one. Here. Okay. Here. Launchers. And also forgot to set the filter for the alloy. Here. Oh, come on. Why does it not work? I'm losing a lot of energy. Something sums off. How am I using that much energy? EBF. Yeah, now I have 8 volcanoes. That's how. Oh, this one finally. 30% EBFs will start shutting off. This one here. What's wrong? I did the pattern with any eye. What's wrong? Oh, this one. Right? I have issues with that thing, and true. I have changed my key bindings and it doesn't work with me. I have changed key bindings, it doesn't work. It's not using relative key bindings for some reason. Doesn't care about your key bindings, that thing. Yeah, I do need me local free storage. But it doesn't allow me to set the filter. That one is a fluid export, right? Yeah, fluid export bus. Okay. Why does it not like, maybe it's this one that is weird. Okay, it's a different fluid apart. This one is a fake fluid. Okay, this one works. Then storage, I don't have the 4K fluid cells. Let's see, I could also use a storage bus. That's a faster way. Until I get more of those, it's not a big deal. But when I get more, I should have the stocking fluid. Also have to set the filters. Here, 1, 2, and 3. Here, here, here. Right. This one is making those. Bunch of fluid. Those are waiting for EBFs now. And EBFs just shut off due to lack of energy. Meanwhile, the other interface is quartz fiber. Here, 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 here. Cable. Here. Oh, now it's waiting for craft. It's ready for crafting. Cool. I think it was using normal BFs. I'm going to finish with the others anyways. 1, 2, 3. Here, here, here. Now filters here are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, turn on. 1 minute. In the future, I will also have fluids inside here in the future. And that energy is meaningless. Like one cell has to be like 10 U per tick. It's nothing. Probably did. Okay, this stuff is slowly crafting. Do not have basic sulfuric acid. How am I out of sulfuric acid? This one is EV. Okay, I could give that one more energy. but I'm going to work more with the netherite. Over there, let's see. Here, the LCR, which makes sulfuric acid. It's not overclocked enough. This one needs oxygen. It does have oxygen. So, circuit 1. Bus. Yeah, I don't care about energy consumption of A2 now. That is not the energy issue of my energy consumption. Like, one thing is if energy consumption will be problematic if I did a 1000 block wireless connector. The energy used by controller is meaningless by now. It has to be at least 2000 U before it matters for me now. I mean ZPM now, almost. Between LUV and ZPM. 200 U is nothing. Why do I have an IP energy hatch in my inventory? Hopefully not from HSSG. This cable is HSSG, theoretically. Right, PTFE. Chronicle. Chemical reactor. I'm going to have an output. Hatch. This one will most likely only output to the other one. I don't want to risk voiding the fluid somehow. It's a small hatch, but it should do. Alright, and then got 2 input hatches. Where are those? Where are the input hatches? I'm using this way only because I get the sulfuric dioxide from working nether air, not because I like the long way. Why would anyone use that way when there is the better quick version? The only reason to use it is if you get the half products from other lines. Dioxide. This one goes with oxygen. Here. And okay, acceleration cards. I could turn it on. Wait, is this one? Oh, okay, wrong LCR. I don't want to pass it through A2. It could end up voiding for other reasons. So, no. That is the wrong hatch. Maybe. I will use a P2P. Here. Here. Let's have this one there. Okay, cell there. This one, copy, paste. Alright, now it's working. Batch mode. Will it get stuck? Yeah. Okay, storage. I don't have small with storage. I think I do still have small ones in there, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, those are worthless now. I mean, they are still useful for the small drops of weird metals, but not really a thing. Here, here, here. Storage. Can I make 10 of those? Nope. Don't have the pattern for those anymore. Hopefully I can carry this stuff inside it. Okay. We still have some space. Right, this one can go. No, it can't be out. Those two inputs are too small. Okay, it's keeping up. This one can also get this fluid directly from the distillation tower. Okay, that's some extra sulfuric acid, which I was otherwise voiding. Fusion is doing europium. Circuit assemblers have many things. Did this one crash? Nope. Okay, why are those not? Oh, those are filtered. That explains many things. I'm going to remove. Oh, wait. Fastest way to clean those filters is to just do that. Now. Okay, do I have the... Oh, here. Slicer. Yeah. There. Come on. Slicing. Now. Usage. Here. Now. Next one in line. Here. Upgrade. This one will get the assembly line, circuit assembly line recipe. And this one goes. Oh, right. Well, it's going to be here anyways. And now this one go. Those two. 16. 16. 16. Here. Go. Circuit assembly line, still crafting. Now it's doing a huge batch at once. Do I have LUV circuits? Don't have any. I'm going to let it run. Okay. I can make just one. Oh, I do have one. Two more. No. This one. I'm going to need an energy hatch here. UV. Where is it? Superconductor here. Connect here. You can't finish GTNH without using A2. I already discussed that multiple times. It is impossible. Just impossible. You cannot take the A of harmony outputs without using A2. And you need those to complete the pack. Also, I don't see how healer white would be healers. But whatever, superconductor LUV. Okay. I'm going to set a restock for the superconductor cables. Probably not that. Okay, ZPM, UV, UHV, UEV, UAV, UMV, UXV. I'm going to start from the bottom. Here. Keep at least 1000 craft 10 at a time. I'll probably make more in the future. For now, that's enough. Then this one over there needs an imprint here. Maintenance. Here. Here. Now assembly line mode. It's preparing parts. Waiting for EBF. What's inside those? Yeah, some are shutting off due to lack of energy, but almost empty. Not refreshing. Fast enough. Okay, only 3 EBFs running due to lack of energy. Alright. Okay, this one is crafting more. Tungsten takes forever. Okay, silicon. Oh, I did do the thing. Wait, is this one laser? Yeah, when people say that, I did read that multiple times. When people say that, I wonder, do you really want to see someone moving 1 billion items by hand? There are too many clickbait YouTubers that made things that are not fun look fun. This one really needs more energy. But the LUV line is already overused. Also, can it run LUV? Which laser? Okay, this laser is LUV. It should be able to run ZPM. Didn't want to give this one more energy. This one here, here. Okay. Oh no, did I make it crash? Maybe. This one is LUV. Here. LUV cable is okay. There are two LUV cables. This one should be safest bet. But now I'm again going to overrun this cable. I'm so close to getting to DPM. Then I can move some multi-blocks to DPM. Alright, hopefully it won't crash. I don't think there is a single mod that can move so many items. Even GregTech fluid pipes, which can do million, are too laggy. Alright. Okay, this one soon will do. I think I have to set the filters. Did I really? Okay, that's storage. Now here. This one. So it is stocking 1, stocking 2, stocking 3. Wait. Ah. Ah. Did feel with it. This one. This one. This one. This one. Middle one. Last one. I already made a mistake again. This one out of the way. This one out of the way. This one out of the way. Normal. Why are those ready? How can only one be ready? Nor and cables. Okay, now it should be theoretically it should work. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the GT pipes are super cool early game. Then they lag too much. What is this one miss? Here something went wrong. He did not get the how, why? He did not get all of the ingredients. What? Oh, I got the wrong one. I got lost. I'm too tired. Too sleepy. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Alright, now it's working. 2 minutes. Then. This one will do that one. And another circuit. Let's prepare the next one. Oh, wait. Here. Maintenance. Over here. LUV. Hatch. Oh wait, I wanted it to be here also. Here. Here. 2. 3. Okay. It's wrong. It did look wrong. maintenance. Here. There. This one, okay, correct. This one more or less ready. I can start preparing more of those for the upcoming circuits. It will speed up the production. And this one is crafting. How much does it take? 80 seconds. Right, next this one, the last one. Here. This one goes in there. And this one gets the other recipe. Here. This one is this stuff. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. Okay. Right, it will take more time. And then slicing machine. What is it? Over there. There it is. I already start the next batch. 16. 16. Here. 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 Nice circuit. Grab those. And here. Stop this one for a moment. Stop this one because you can already start making this one. Like, those are the kind of questions which make me wonder, did you ever even play the game? Like, you should figure out yourself what you want to automate. You shouldn't be asking others. Like, that is kind of the question. Like, you should decide and figure out yourself what to automate. Like, and I think I always point it out. That's the first thing you usually want to do. But yeah, you already got the answer with yourselves. Yeah, okay, it makes sense. But yeah, usually you want to get automation automated. Okay, I have issues with energy. Am I out of wind? Nope. Am I just using 1 million EU? Yeah. What the heck is using that much energy? Those all working fine. Working fine. This one has issues. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, maybe now it goes up a little bit. Most CBFs now should be shut off due to lack of energy. Let's see. What's waiting here? We don't have Oh, this one I think goes until it's 10% the battery. Yeah, that's a good answer. Yeah, everything in my base combined. I'm wondering if there is something specific mostly. Because most energy consumption. Also, I'm thinking this place needs it. Yeah, this place can share the cable with other places. This cable is oftentimes overrun. I'm trying to wait for when I can do the PM line. Hopefully soon. Like, I don't have much of a big battery buffering here. Like, this one was crashing machine. Like, 16 LUVMs were not enough. Some machines were crashing. Now I'm wondering the issue could also be this cable. Maybe the buffer was not enough. Or does that? I should multiply different this stuff. Like small circuits. Also, I think I can do those with a better pattern now. This one probably not. Let's see. Can I do this one? Oh no, this one requires a circuit assembler. We'll do that soon. For now, it can stay in there. Oh, I'm still using that ugly. Oh gosh. I was still using that recipe. That's going to be way better. This one, can I do the better version? Okay, I can do that. Now circuits are going to be way cheaper. Okay. Yeah, go with the better version. This one waiting for EBF. Okay. Multi-block plasma turbines have always existed from before GT5U was a thing. There were multi-block steam turbines, but a couple of years ago, multi-block plasma steam turbines have been nerfed because it was too much of an easy, ugly, simple setup. Devs wanted you to do something more complex. That's why we had the heat exchangers. Like instead of buffing heat exchangers, they nerfed the multi-block plasma turbines. The more powerful the turbine, the more the nerf, basically. There is a table. This one. Okay, one EBF is running. Yeah, I got a little bit of energy. I think you can see the steps of EBFs turning on, maybe. Maybe it's those. It's that, those. Nothing. Okay, no, something just got that. I should multiply those storage probably too. I did, yeah, same recipe can push. Okay. Grab crystal processor. SSC wafer and in copper. What is LP? Do I not have really? That is what it's missing. Here. Volt. Go. Good. Go. 1000 LV circuit. Like that. Maybe I can do those in a better way too. I don't want to use PVC. It must be this one. Must be this one. PBI could be an idea. How much ethylene do I have? Well, soon I will get the PCB factory. Okay, ethylene is getting drained. Should probably change that recipe over there. This one we'll do it using PBI. There. Not wanna use fluorine or chlorine, but PBI should be more efficient. Yeah, okay. Oh, it has the pass-through. Yeah, here it's getting the constant recipe swap, which locks the LCR. Is it correct? Is it missing a little bit of... No, it's somehow lost some copper foil. Bigger basket. I don't have any HV. Can't wait for cribs. Okay, those are slowly crafting. This one is taking too much, probably crashed. Yep. No. Okay. Water is not supposed to be inserted like that. Right. Should be working. I think I just did one batch of those. Oh, it's two different CPUs. There's one. What is it? MB. Wait, do I have the... Nope. Waiting for EBF. What is EBF? There. Is this one cleaned? Nope. Yeah, this one is done. Let's clean up this mess. Yeah, this meter is annoying. Too much filler. Here. Here. Clean up everything. I think I can do the mega LCR now. Yeah, probably I switch those LCRs I have with a mega LCR soon. This one off, magnet off. Here. Which one? Scanner. How much fluorine? Okay, fluorine is no longer an issue. This one, bauxite not needed. This one gives a little bit of everything. So think I'm going to do a little bit of iridium. Yeah. Yeah. Now, I also have to complete the last assembler. Okay, started working on the first one. Nice. Here. Oh, no. Here. Here and UV. And you hatch. Oh, I wanted it over there. So it will be all shared in the future easily. UV. Connected and complete. Okay. Maintenance. Or okay, imprint. Imprint, but also this one, circuit assembly line here. Ritual, the liquid. It's not worth it to use the liquid in my opinion. Maybe, but maybe not. Main issue is that if you use the liquid, you get more filler for some meteors. Was it? No. This one, it must be awful. Where is it? This one must be awful. So without it, it's 50, half of the meteor is filler. If you add the liquid, oh, only 54. Okay, this one is not too bad. Some meteors are okay with increased range, others are awful. Now, some meteor, this one is probably better. This one I think you get more ores even with the extra filler. But there are some meteoroids I'm kind of, I really do feel like it's worse. Math guy, can you tell me exactly how much more? This one, crystal processor crafting, good. Crystal assembly, I think it has more to do. Yeah, and I need to start over again. Will this one start now? No? Oh, it needs more. All right. Did this one crash the mixer again? Nope. So mega LCR will be slightly big. Yeah, makes sense. Would you bother plugging in the numbers or do I have to type it? Also, I don't remember. It shouldn't make a difference, the constant. Okay, new array. Yeah. But so Let's use this one as an example. This one is not the worst one. Don't remember which meteorite made me really dislike the increased odds. So radius 15 has 50% filler. So 15. Wait, why do you do it like that? I don't remember space. That is a radius cube. There is some constant. Does the constant change the relative output? I will guess not. So this is the amount of blocks in a 15. Okay. 17 is that much. Now, 15, okay, times. Yeah, you get half filler, so that is how much ore you get from the 15 radius one. Multiply that by the constant. I don't remember what is the constant. It's probably pi. Yeah, it must be 4 pi. Orders. Okay. What is the meme? 22. That is pi. Is that the meme? I don't remember. You get $7,000 probably. It sounds alright. With the bigger range, you get yeah, I want ratio constant don't matter. But constant don't matter, but I want to get an idea of how much ores I get. 58% is the different one, so times. So that one was with the range 15 and things. 17 is 58. So 1 minus 58 was it? That's okay. This one indeed is good. There was another meteorite which really made me dislike it. I don't remember what. Maybe Nether Star or one. Don't remember which one was the meteorite with a lot of no. There was one meteorite with like 90% filler. I don't remember which one. Meteors that have no filler, in those it's going to be a really good filler. Okay. The other thing is that yeah, I get a better meteor, but some meteors like this one is cheap. I can afford. I'd rather throw 2 of those instead of setting up this annoying stuff. Tangam. Let's check Tangam. I'm not sure if this one was it. No, Tangam has no filler. Didn't wait. Oh, okay, that's the good Tangam thing. This one is. Wait, what? Tangam is the filler. What? Okay, this one is weird. Because Tangam is filler. Salt ore is the ore. Tangam is the filler block. How the heck does that work? Wait, what? So this one you actually get so much more by adding that fluid. It doesn't make sense. Maybe something is off. No, that must be a bug. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense like that. Tangam is the filler and this one must be a bug. It must be patched. This one it says filler over the Tangam, not over the salt. Something is wrong here. There was another meteor. I don't know which one. There was one meteor that had 90% filler and it will go to like 98% filler. If only I don't remember what it was. It was something I really wanted to use. Maybe one of those? Could it be? Nope. 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 This one? Nope. Okay, I don't know which one. No, it was not this. It was earlier. It was one of the first meteors I wanted. Or maybe it got changed between updates because Tangam being the filler block here feels so weird. Over there. Anyways, this one is crafting finally. Good. Something broke in there. Oh no, that is LCR. No, what? What? What is it? Oh, here. What? How is it? Something off. Oh, I changed the pattern. That's the old pattern. I changed it. It was the one with water inside. It got removed. No, it was something with 90%. It was something with 90% filler. It was something, it was the first meteors I checked out. No, it was 90%. This one is, okay, I usually use this one to get this stuff. It was something with 90%, I don't recall what. Is it crafting more LV? Yeah, it could be hallucinating. Yeah. There is also that option. I may be hallucinating. Okay, now why? Now it gets you way more tangam. It gets you way more tangam, this one. Because here it is 10%. Here filler is 10%. And tangam is 0.14. Basically 10% and tangam is 1% of the filler. No. Tangam is like 1% of the filler, I think. I'm too lazy. It jumps that total 10% to 25. So you get 2.5 times more tangam on top of the extra stuff from radius. So you're going to get a lot of it, but something must be off here. Something must have swapped the cell must be the filler, not the tangam. Yeah, there you got it in chat. Something must be wrong with that recipe. Meteor recipe. Now, I want to fix this one. Why? Why is the recipe for this one not found? So it should be a yellow lens thing. Yeah, this one. Alright, this one. Here. Okay, now for whatever reason it decided it wants to work. It doesn't have the... I just shove everything inside because it can cause conflicts. This one, okay, LUV, MB. Got the crystal processor. Okay. Let's get this one out. Let's slice it. And this one is the new way of doing it. This one. Over there. This one, 16. Here. And now I can finally get this one for the flocculation unit. Okay. The issue is not the input. The machine could not get the input. I mean, it can't be separation of inputs because it was simply H2 was not even able to input stuff. Okay, now energy is starting to become an issue again. Mostly, probably it's because I added too many blast furnaces. But I wanna start crafting solar panels again. Maybe make 4 of those at once. Maybe I could even start crafting quadruple solar panels. Oh, come on. Why did it error? Okay, so the triple managed to start, the double no. No, I didn't. Where is it? What's wrong? It's still trying to start. Can I get one more quadruple? Okay, can I make one quadruple at once? That will be a lot of power. Still doesn't manage to start on its own. Why not? Okay, it says crafting, so sometimes it doesn't appear for it. But I can make a quadruple all at once. Go with it. There. Quite a bunch of things at once. How many LV circuits in half of a quad? Why can I not see? Oh, that's why. 4,000 LV circuits in a quadruple. Still doesn't. Something off. Maybe no. Well, I could start a quadruple. How can it not start automatically a double? Or doubles? Okay, let's make it easier. Um, okay, slowly crafting. What is doing there? Oh, steel. Iron dust is for steel. Maybe. Okay. Yeah. That's the issue. I don't have any CPU available for automation. Those CPUs are allowed only to the player. Those CPUs are player only. It's keeping those for me, that's why it cannot find a CPU. That was the issue. So I'm going to make it 10. Okay. I'm going to clean up everything. Just in case I messed up something, I'm just going to clean up everything. I changed too many patterns, too many machine crash, too many things happened. Let's just clean up everything. I should craft glue and other things in bigger batches probably too. Also, is the fusion reactor even working? Yes. What is it doing? Europe. Co-processors do not do anything regarding space. Co-processors only affect crafting speed. I need more CPUs. That's the issue. But now more than CPU, I think all of these CPUs are just waiting for EBFs. That's the issue. Energy is the real issue. I would like to figure out where all of the energy is going. This one is not really using that much. Mostly I'm afraid of this cable not keeping up. Yeah, if this one is constant to 16 amps, it means some LSC is losing energy. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, this one most likely could be running. Nope. Usually it's the B one, the first one to lose energy. Yep. Charging up. This one crashed. Oh no. It's output space limitation. What does this one even do? Right now I don't even need this one. I'm going to let it off. Those are running, everything is running. How much tin did I manage to get in the meantime? Okay, I got tin now. Cool. This one is crafting slowly. Maybe this is too much at once. Yeah, okay, for now I'm going to keep it at one at a time for now. But if I want to make power with those, I'm going to leave it. This one is waiting for soldering. Of all of the things, soldering. I think it's clogged by pyrotechnic. Fluid extractor is still EV. I could move it to IV and I will. The IV cable now has a lot of leftover energy. Probably can run it easily. Still of the times when I was using 2x aluminum to chip out. Here, here, here. This one is IV. What? Can it only have hatches on the... Why? Oh, glass tier. Must be a glass tier issue. Changing the grass under there is annoying. No. Yes. This one should work. I'm slowly doing that. Okay, now it's 4 times faster. Maybe it also gets more parallels with more voltage. No, 16 times faster. I use no, it doesn't do perfect over. It's faster. Now it's faster. It has 16 times more energy. Look at the new circuit assembly lines. Do many circuits at once. This one, EBF circuits. I want to prepare a pattern for the Mega LCR. Time to get this one. This machine is goated. Perfect overclock, no energy input limitations. But to run this one, I will most likely need... I want to get 64 amps RGB there before I do that. Oh, look at that graph going up. Now down, 11%. I still... Oh, all of the cables I managed to do went into circuit crafting, probably. I still didn't. Did I not make a pattern for that? I don't know if I have... I'm too lazy to upgrade those coils. I have to get the equal trade thing in my wand. I forgot what I was doing. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the press. Yeah. Okay, this one, time to start stocking up those circuits. Over there. UV 100, one at a time. Probably at UV I can make more. Now, I'll stick with one. Okay. Yeah, manipulator has exchange mode, but you have to select. You can't select by clicking in your inventory. You have to place the block, select it, and then do the replacement. It's a lot of clicks too. Maybe I think if it is something really small, maybe the trade of the wand with the equal trade Foshi works better. Exchange focus is less clicks. Now, I think that I was worrying about. Matter manipulator, ZPM, this one. You said I needed the cyclotron. Which part requires the cyclotron? Oh, this one, gravitron. Oh, gravistar too. This is not ZPM. This is not ZPM. Is there a way of getting this one? UV. Well, I can do neutronium soon. ZPM energy hatches, I can do neutronium. Alright. I don't wanna get this one. Thing is that until I start building many multi-blocks, I think this one is a chore to use. For small things, like this one works well for huge things. For small things, I think I'd rather do it by hand. Yeah, exactly. That's my point. If it is a super small set of coils like this one, I think the Fochi one should be able to. The Fochi one should be able to change all of those with one click. So just break the glass, click with the wand, done. Matter manipulator, I have to select here to here, select the coil block. Like matter manipulator, I have to do the well thing, select the mod, then select the replacement block, click on the block, click on the block 1, click on the block 2, select start point 1, select start point 2. All of that using the UI with the work thing. All of that to change the 27 coils sounds like a lot of clicks to me. Alright. But for today I wanna go to sleep. Until I start spamming multi-block, I really don't see too much of a point into this one. See you tomorrow anyways. Bye bye.